This one is a nice one, and the sheen on the skin, nice and shiny. This is a nice fresh kingfish. Put my knife there. Take it easy when you're cutting kingfish too, take your time. Put your knife there and just go straight down. See, my knife is always away from me. Never try and do it, that's too dangerous. And cut down here. Lift it up. Now I'm going to go up the rib cage. It's important you don't want to rip this part because that's quality gone. So then I'll cut it here. There's your product there. Why you be careful to go over this, take your time when you're cutting it so you don't rip this part. So what I'll do is I'll just trim this one off. And there you are. Okay, now I'm going to skin and bone it, the same process as the snapper. Put my knife down. Kingfish is one of the hardest to skin and bone. The bone is down the center. Just run your fingers down and it stops about there. So what I do is, you can see the bones there. Just run my knife down. Same the other side. Bone. Okay, restaurants, a lot of them don't like the blood. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go, take that off, same thing. You can sushi with a cucumber sauce, or get a little bit of onions, chop it up fine, put it together, chuck it on the barbecue, and that way you're not wasting it. Not wasting anything on the fish. Portion size, the same as the other ones. You can go big on that, but I just go a little bit more. You can go with it or you can go against it. Why I cut it like this is quick and it's fast to cook, because fish doesn't need to, you can just half cook it. Don't worry about the blood too, it's good. Won't hurt. You are.